Welcome to Open Box Education. In this video, I'm going to explain about what is active and passive component. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. Strictly speaking, an active component is a device that acts as a source of energy, like a battery. But the definition of active components differs according to a few electronic engineers who perform a circuit analysis. So here it is the definition for the active component. So these active components are defined as the devices that depend on energy source and it can introduce power into a circuit. So this is the definition of the active component. Consider the diode, which is an active component. When the diode is connected to the circuit and energy source is applied, it immediately does not conduct the electrons. It starts conducting only when its threshold value is reached. That is nothing but here the cut-in voltage. So thus it depends on the energy source for its working. Hence it is an active component. Active electronic components can control the flow of electrons through them. Some of the commonly used active components are transistors, semiconductor diodes, integrated circuits, power sources like batteries, AC and DC power supplies, etc. So these are the examples for the active components. And coming to these passive components cannot control the flow of current through them. That is, they cannot introduce energy into the circuit but can increase or decrease voltage and current. So these components don't depend on the energy source for their operation. So generally, two-terminal components like resistors, capacitors and inductors and transformers are the examples of passive components. So this is about that active and passive components. So thank you very much for watching this video. To watch more videos, please subscribe to my channel Open Box Education.